Namaste. Welcome to Supermind Foundation. A mantra, your thoughts, your superpower. This is Amrish Shah, humbly a brain plasticity practitioner, globally certified by Dr. Sarah McKay, a neuroscientist from Oxford. I'm also a member of the Society for Neuroscience, headquartered in Washington. Today I'm going to share something very important for our brain. The 5 engines, or rather the 5 jets that drive our engine called the brain. Yes, our brain is the most complex organism in the universe. And the 5 jets that drive this engine. Jet number 1, the physical jet, the physiological jet, which is the biology of the brain, which is the structure of the brain, the neural networks, the synaptic connections which constantly change with neuroplasticity, the entire neural network of our brain. That's jet number 1, which changes with our thoughts and our behavior. Jet number 2 is the psychological jet, our thought processes, which we can constantly change, evolve, grow in terms of mindset, and constantly engage cognitive growth or cognitive levels of increasing skills, learning, which is the psychological jet. The third jet is the social jet, which is our connections, our family, our friends, our extended family, our social networks, especially in today's pandemic times, which we realize are so important if they are right. So most importantly, our social networks need to encourage us, be constructive, be positive, make us feel good about our own selves and about growth. Cut off all the connections which are constantly bogging you down, demeaning you, or perhaps demotivating you. The fourth jet is the spiritual jet, our life purpose. So, being also an author, I would like to quote my own novel, Tiger Mates. To find a purpose larger than yourself is the very purpose of finding a purpose. Meaning, our purpose, our life goals, the larger goals, besides taking care of the family, being with our friends, supporting our work network, we need to have a larger purpose for which we wake up every day and for which we have gratitude towards the end of the day when we go back to sleep. That is the spiritual jet, which drives our brain. The fourth one was the spiritual one, and the fifth one is the self-awareness jet, meaning our own awareness, our own consciousness, which is governing the other 4 jets, which is actually controlling the other 4 jets. The first one being the physical jet, the physiological, biology jet. The second one being the psychology jet, the psychological jet. The third one being the social jet. The fourth one being the spiritual jet. And the fifth one, the self-awareness, is about our own self, which governs the brain, which can change the brain from good to better to best, which we can constantly redesign our brain with, the self-awareness jet. So we need to activate all the 5 jets constantly, every day, to maintain optimum brain health, thus well-being, and thus immunity, which is the most important part of our well-being in the times of such deadly virus, ailments, illnesses, and more health issues in our future. So today in this healthcare era, our mantra, the Supermind mantra, is your thoughts, your superpower, which actually translates into your brain, your superpower. Drive these 5 jets with great responsibility, rewire your brain. Let's rewire our destiny, our lives with neuroscience applied. This is Amrish Shah. Thank you. You can contact me at supermindworld@gmail.com, supermindworld, one word, @gmail.com, or visit my website and again contact me at www.supermind.world. I repeat, www.supermind.world. Namaste, stay safe, stay kind, stay empowered.